organic farmers. We're a network of organic farmers that do a home delivery service of really fresh organic produce, trying to fight the supermarkets and show people that we can support British farmers and get really high quality produce delivered. Really excited to be at Newport Food Festival today. It's always a really good one for us on the calendar. Loads of really friendly people, really busy, and just a real gem in the crown of a great city, I think.
Hi, I'm Gemma at Newport Food Festival. Came down to have a look at what it was about. It's really great. It's so nice to see Newport busy. And we've just been over to the vegan and vegetarian section now, and it was lovely.
Hi, my name's Jamie. I own Tudor Brewery. We've been coming now to the Newport Food Festival ever since it started. We've only missed 1 year since the beginning. We've always found it a really friendly festival, a great place to trade and meet local people and introduce them to our products. We have the Wales's first gluten-free and vegan brewery, and we are very proud of our products. So if ever you're in the area, come on down, come to Newport Food Festival. Be sure to have a good time.
Hi, I'm Beth. It's my first time at Newport Food Festival and I'm really impressed by the variety and everything that's here. The hog roast is spectacular, I really recommend it.
Myself Benjamin, and it's my family. We are from India, and 2 months back only we came here, so we got this news from the newspaper and the social media. So there is a street food festival is going on. It's a first experience. That's the reason we came here today. We liked, because the first experience, so many delicious food and variety of food, and we taste all of the stall and we are moving around. We hope people are enjoying, and it's good. People can gather with all of the choice of the food and everything. Anyway, thanks to Newport Council and team. Okay, thank you.
We had a wonderful time at Newport Food Festival as always, and thank you very much for this well-organized festival and for the community that support this event.
Hi, I'm James Ashton. I'm a Cardiff-based actor. We come to Newport Food Festival today. It's been brilliant. We've been to a lot of food festivals. This is absolutely free and massive, and loads of stuff to do. I bought non-alcoholic kefir, which I'd never heard of before, and I tried lots of different types. This is a lavender flavour, which is particularly exciting. But lots of educational stuff. They're trying loads of things. It was really fun and interesting. Then I think I'm going to go back and buy some rum in a second, which will be interesting as well. We've bought some marshmallows. We've tried some different oils and flavours. It's been a really good food festival and really enjoyed it, and great turnout and lots of fun. So thank you very much.